Hey guys, TechMentor here with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you how to convert your iPhone into a white noise machine so that you can block out external noise and focus on your daily task or whatever you're doing. Now, this is a really cool feature. Not a lot of people know it, but it's available on iOS 15 or later. So iPhone 6s and above, you'll have this feature. So how can you turn your iPhone into a white noise machine? Well, to show you, first thing you want to go into is settings. And once you go into settings, you're going to go down to accessibility. And once you go to accessibility, scroll down to find audio visual right here. Click on that. Once you click on that, you'll notice here, second option here where it says background sound. Now it's slightly different over here, but we're going to click on that. That's what we're going to be using to enable that. We're going to go ahead and turn that on. And as you can see here, we're hearing noise right now, balanced noise. That's pretty much white noise as it's referred to, that allows you to block out any sort of noise if you're focusing, and you can pretty much adjust the volume based on the buttons or control it here in the settings as well. You can go lower, higher, depending on how you like it. And then you can also have the option to stop it if it's locked. By default, this noise usually plays even if the phone is locked, as you can see here. And then you have the option to stop it if you want to do it when it's locked. We can also change the type of white noise you get. By default, it's called balanced noise. You can do bright. There's also dark. And then there's also some nature ones like the ocean, rain, and stream as well. So whatever you like. So we'll leave it at the default balanced noise. And now to stop it, you can simply toggle it off here. Now, let's say we want to quickly access it instead of going through all that settings, because that's kind of a lot to do. Well, there's a way to create a shortcut so that you can pretty much have this on and off at your leisure. To do that, you're going to go back again. This time we're going to go back to settings again. Starting at settings, right, we're here. We're going to go down to, again, accessibility. And this time, instead of going to audio visual, we're going to go into accessibility shortcut. Click on that. And what accessibility shortcut does is it allows you to activate one of this shortcut that's available by triple clicking the side button on here on the iPhone 12 that we have. But essentially, if you have a newer phone, same thing. This big button here is the side button. So you triple click on it, it'll activate whatever of this feature we want. So we want background noise, we check mark that. And this time, to show that it works, we're simply going to triple click the side button. And as you can see now, we have the white noise activated. Now to turn it off, simply triple click and it's off. Now we don't have to go through all the settings to enable that feature. Again, to turn it back on, triple click and then turn it back off. Triple click again, and that is how you make your iPhone into a white noise machine. Now let's say we want to remove that, you can simply uncheck mark it and it won't do that for you. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video of how to convert your iPhone into a white noise machine without paying anything on iOS 15. If this video is helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.